Yo, like, it was like 2 seconds to lunch, and then somebody pulled the fire alarm. This is being gay. Get this out of the way. Yeah, I'm videotaping this. This jerk. Hi. Yeah. This is gay, man. I was all happy because like lunch was in 2 seconds, and then now, yeah, I was like, Jared, stop. Get me in the face. Like, I was about to go to lunch, right? And then, like, the fire alarm went off. Now I'm mad. Are you mad too, Jared? Yes. Okay, you go be mad. Very mad. Oh, God. I'm very hungry. God, I'm hungry too. Oh, people. Yeah, I'm recording. There's Brandy. Jordan. God, no. See, this is like a historical event. Cause I was like right about to go eat. And then like, God, there's Isaiah. Good luck, holla back. I'm in the front of the line. And then, where you at? Isaiah, how you feel about this?
I feel hungry.
Yeah, me too. God, it's so gay. Maybe this is lunch. I was like right about to like run out the door. This guy is so salty just because he's good at Modern Warfare. He thinks he could like push everybody around. Not everyone's at level 10. Like whatever. Why don't we just go lunch already? I know. I want to go to lunch right now. Go lunch. Hey, I want to go lunch with me. I want to go to lunch. Let's go. Huh? You guys are gonna eat? I want to eat.
It's such a big giant.
There's Cassidy. Oh, angry. So Jordan, how do you feel about this? Shitty.
Get away, think about it.
Whatever. Oh, you want a muffin? Gotta